Hi everybody, this is Nancy Burke and I am doing an unboxing video for the company Bramble Fox. They are out of the UK and I just received this today, so I'm pretty excited to show everybody what came. So when I open this up, there's these really cute little envelopes here, and let's go ahead and dump these out and see what these are. So, ooh, those are little freebies apparently. Oh, there we go. There's some more little ones. Those are kind of cute. So what Bramble Fox makes are these little acrylic pieces for different crafts and things. And the neat thing about these is they have a little protective coating on them. And when you remove this protective coating, you have this nice, shiny, really pretty, smooth surface. So most of these have got this protective coating on both sides. So I'm just using an X-Acto blade just to barely lift the edges. I don't want to scratch this, so I'm being really careful to not scratch any of the edges. So there, look at that cute little smiley face. So these apparently are some freebies that came. But I would like to show you the other things that came. So we've got, let's start down here. Okay, this one's really cute. We've got some clouds and a sunburst. And these are really fun. I don't know if you can see those. Those are some little clear plastic or acrylic rhinestones that we can add to a scrapbook page or any other project. And this one's really fun. This one says Summer Memories. Now this is kind of neat too. On the backs of all of these packages, you could actually use the package itself. I'm sorry, the cardboard insert that comes with this. You could actually, once I take these out, you could use this piece right here. You could use this as a card. And what I could do is I could add some ribbon, some strings, some pretty stickers or something, some flowers, and then I could go ahead and glue this directly onto a piece of cardstock and send it out and use it as a cute little card. So all of the packaging comes with something like this. The different sizes have got different sentiments on them. So this is what came in this package here. So again, these have got a little plastic coating on the back. Can you see that coming off? There we go. Look at that. That's coming right off. Look at that. That's fun. So then we've got this really nice, shiny, smooth surface that I can use on all sorts of crafts. Obviously, I'm going to be using these on scrapbook pages, as that's the primary craft that I do the most of. This also had a cute little palm tree in it. Little semi-transparent, cute little palm tree. So that's one package. And then we've got a pink hello with some hearts. That's really cute. And then this one I could use for some Christmas pages or a Christmas card. Fa la la, merry and bright. Again, it's got the sentiment on the back of the packaging. And this one's really pretty. This is actually a mirror finish rose gold piece. It's the word love. Look how shiny and pretty that is. Isn't that lovely? It actually matches my nails really well. So I could use that on a page or a Valentine's card or even a wedding card. Make a handmade wedding card with that. Really pretty. So we'll put those aside. And then here's some more fun ones. Ooh, okay. So I have to show you these stars. Now I believe that there's not a single scrapbook page out there that you can't put stars on. I love stars. This is stars and little starbursts. Look how cute those are. Oh my goodness. There's actually a lot in that package. And I can take, again, my little X-Acto blade, peeling this off. This plastic coating comes off really easy. The plastic coating obviously is designed to keep it from scratching during transport and storage. Look at that. The lighting's not super great in here. Let me zoom in for a second so you can see that. Okay, I don't know how well you can see that, but anyway, so these are the fun little stars. Really cute stuff. Oh, and this is actually just the plastic coating. That's not a print on the star itself. It's just part of the protective coating that comes right off. So there's that. And I also got them in a really pretty pastel collection. These are so cute. I love these. Love stars. Gonna take some of this plastic coating off so you can get a look at these. Look at that. Comes right off. Maybe. Okay, there we go. So really shiny, really smooth. I can see these going on a lot of different pages. So there's the stars, and these are really cute. These are some balloons, and I already know exactly what I'm going to use these for. I've got some Disney pages I need to do that have got some pictures of balloons, and look how cute these are. This is just going to come off really easily. Coating on one side, coating on the other side. Okay, I have cats in the background making a ruckus, so just ignore the background noises. So look how cute that is. Isn't that fun? So we've got hearts, stars, and regular balloon shapes. They've all got this plastic coating on them. Comes off really easily. Look at that. Really, really cute designs. Isn't that pretty? Fun, fun, fun little pieces. Okay, so there's that. And, you know, I do not remember ordering a little fox, sorry. I believe that this must be a little freebie of their logo because he's a fox. So I'm guessing he's the Bramble Fox. I don't know for sure. I'll have to go back through my order. But he's a cute, shiny little guy. Look at that. Shiny rose gold little fox with some little bow ties. Or I suppose you could put it on his head and he could become a she with a little bow on the top of the head. Now this is the biggest one that I ordered. I really like this one. Look at the sentiment on the back of that. That's really pretty. So you could use these cards in again, you could use them to make your own cards to send out, or you could use them in Project Life pocket page type of projects. So let's open up this last big one. I really like this. So this says Adventure, and it's got plastic coating on the back. Not the most attractive thing on the back, but again, it serves its purpose. It comes right off and reveals the nice, shiny, smooth texture underneath. So I could use this on all kinds of pages. And I like that it has got these spaces in between, that it's actually the silhouette. It's a silhouette type of a word. So I could add this to printed papers. Here I've got a sheet of, what is this? This is really old. October Afternoon is who makes this. And look at that. What I would do to adhere this is I would just add little dots of glue. I prefer to use my Tombow mono adhesive. You could also use Aleene's tacky glue. You could use E6000, any type of a good quality liquid glue. And then once you've got this glued down, then you can easily take your X-Acto blade and just following right along, cut this out so you've got the pattern paper right behind it. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so that is the unboxing for acrylic pieces from the company Bramble Fox out of the UK. Their website is Bramblefox, BRAMBLEFOX.co.cu. So yeah, go take a look. They've got some super cute acrylic pieces for all kinds of craft projects. Well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.